Hi friends, welcome back everyone. Today the last day of the week, and I always keep saying, if at all last day of the week is profitable, then your entire weekend will be nice. So as per our expectations, today also we had good profits. We're closing the week in profits. So to look into the video to see how we did the trade, what are the strikes we took, and how was the trade today. So please watch till end of the video. You'll be getting full details. And also, friends, tomorrow is the day for learning. So I'm planning to touch upon the two key aspects of options. Okay. So many were asking me this doubt, sir. What is this option Greeks? And I used to say that it is not very important, don't go waste your time for all those things, but I felt the need of explaining what is theta and what is delta. So I'll be touching only on these two concepts. These are the basics which are required. On based on these two concepts only we are making this regular money. If at all you would have seen me making from almost past 3 months, if I'm not wrong, right? From April we started, yeah. So during that period we are regularly making consistently month on month income. That is the reason, because we need to know these two major concepts. My major concept of making money is theta, the decay in theta, and one more thing is the managing the delta. These two things I am doing. So I thought I will make a small video tomorrow to explain to you the basic of these two concepts. And I won't make it very complicated. I will keep it very very simple, very very practical in my own style. I'll explain to you and the importance of these two things. Okay, so before going forward, people those who have not yet subscribed, I would recommend you to please subscribe to my channel. This is a channel for all the working professionals. There are lots and lots of videos in the video section. I'm here to make a very good playlist. So once I get some time, I'll make an exact playlist where you'll get all the strategies, where you'll get options separately, equity separately, live trades separately. So all these things I'll try to make a playlist. But as of now, you can go through the videos and don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the bell button. So let us go to uh, trade which we did today. Yes. So the stock selected is Bajaj Finance. So this is the previous video SBIN. In case if you have missed it, you can just watch it in the video section. So this is Bajaj Finance which we are going to trade. Okay, so I'm just trying to open the charts to make you understand what's the logic we selected the stock, and basically try to look into a stock which has got very good momentum. By momentum I mean like this kind of movement. You can see a good movement in the stock. So you can look into the 1 day data, or also you can look into 30 minutes data, and also you can find trending stocks. So basically this is what we want. Okay, so stocks which have got very good momentum, so that it will continue the same momentum in next day as well. So you can see Bajaj Finance after an initial dip, previous day also you can see it continuously rallied up. Again after initial profit booking, then again it started rallying up. So we are expecting Bajaj Finance to continue the same journey. It can be wrong or it can be right, but we are doing hedging. So in case if you are lost, our losses will be minimal. But in case if you're making profits, profits can be good enough. Although you won't get full benefit of your profits, but it is fair enough. Okay. So this is the previous video. In case if you missed SBI, you can just check. Okay. Now coming to the strike prices, friends. This is Bajaj Finance, and you can see it is 30th July strike price which we have selected. And always try to take the nearest strike price, because the delta will be minimum zero point 0.5, that is 50% of the future value. So basically it means that in case if you're making loss, the loss will be half, and in case if you're making profit, the profit also will be half. Okay, so if you ask me why taking so much of insurance, or you can say so much of hedging, reason because you can sleep peacefully. If at all you want to take big risk, you can take, but then whole night you will be tensed whether what is going to happen to my position, will there be a big drawdown and all those things. Okay, so I have selected my strike prices. Now for insurance I am taking at least minimum 10% far away strike price. So 2700 is ideal, but the premiums are bit costly. It's almost 85 rupees. So let us go further a little more and then just check premiums which are a little more down, because we don't want our insurance to eat away the full profits which you're getting. Okay, so I'm taking little more far in Bajaj Finance, because the start of a month the premiums are all very high. So I'm going with 2600, almost 400 price far away. Okay, so let us first sell the option I am selling the uh, placing the limit order. Okay, it's not yet completed. Let me just do a little bit of tweaking so I can see. Yeah, it's completed. Then once that is done, we can do the buying as well, and buy you can place a market order. Okay, so when both these have been placed, next what our duty is to place the insurance. Okay, so we have placed, oh, it got rejected, or might be, oh, intraday. So till now I think I've done everything intraday. Okay, it is my mistake. So I have to place everything in delivery. Okay, so let me place first this insurance. Review, place by order, it's completed. Then also quickly let me convert everything into delivery, otherwise it will get squared off immediately. You can see the time as well. Okay, so immediately let me convert all this into delivery. So you can see here the facility is there, convert intraday into delivery. Just press the confirm button. Same thing, this is what we do in the morning, friends. You need funds for adjustments and all those things. You can just convert from delivery into intraday. So then you will get extra funds. Okay, perfect. So you can see all the orders have been placed. So this is a position which we have taken. So I have bought the future and I have sold the call option, and then I have taken insurance in the put option. Simple three leg strategy, hedging strategy, and I am overly hedged. Almost you can say 60 to 70% is hedged. That is because I want to sleep peacefully. I'm not bothered if my profit reduce as well, because daytime also we're making regularly profits now. But make I have to just make sure that my money is safe, my capital is safe, and this is what every traders must concentrate. Making money is secondary, but limiting your loss is what you have to concentrate. Okay, so morning, friends, this was the situation. As soon as I got up, I started squaring off. Although it was in break even, by the time I completed all my trades, I went to a small loss. So since I've already completed, next my duty is to place the strangle. Okay, so I'm just trying to take little far OTM. So 3100 I can find good volume is available. So I will try and add it to my watch list. Price is also fair enough. So if at all you want to look at the same premium in the put side, I think we have to go a little more further, around 2800. Yeah, so around 2800 I can see the ask price is around 131. So I think this is 148. So these both should be fine. If at all you go further, there is nothing else available for us. And if at all you want to see at good interest as well, open interest also must be good enough, fair enough. So this is how we select the strike prices, friends. Don't go select strike prices which has not got open interest or volume, otherwise you won't be able to come out of your trades. Okay, so I am selecting Bajaj Finance 3100, and then 2800 put option. Okay, so you can see as of now the two strike prices have been selected and it has been put into our watch list, and this is how we had taken. If at all you want any other further, there is not available. So I think this should be fair enough, although there is small difference between we have not got the exact one, but it's okay. 148 and 130 is fine. So presently you can see profit and loss is around 1000 rupees, and then let us place our intraday orders and see what profits we are going to make for today. Okay, so I am selling intraday order, you can see, and I'm please don't do the mistake of placing market order. Please place the limit order always, even though it takes little time. Okay, so I am going with two lots. Initially I'll place two lots, and then slowly we can increase, because we have funds available. Part of our covered calls, we can almost take 3 to 4 orders, not a problem. With 2 lakh funds you can almost take 3 to 4 orders. Okay, so it is completed, and then next let me place the other leg as well. I'm placing two lots, and then once again limit order I'm just placing the sell order. Little bit of tweaking required because options won't get filled immediately, and we are placing a limit order. Okay, it's completed. So you can see as of now both our positions have been filled. So ideally the concept which I am trying to do now is, uh, even though we are making loss or profit in the night, we'll try to close it immediately and recover whatever loss we are making, so that every day we are either in break even or we are in profit. This is going to be the overall concept we are following. And also positions, friends, I recommend everyone not to jump immediately in the morning itself with full quantity, because morning it will be very volatile. So initially start off with one or two lots, and then slowly you can increase. Okay, although today I was not able to increase, before that we got a profit, so I had to close. So I'll just show you today's video as well. So you can see that the minus 1000 loss has gone to 2337. That means almost 3300 rupees profit has come. So this is what exactly you can see. Our both the orders has been closed here. This uh, both the orders has been closed, and it hardly took any time. You can see time is still 9:37. Okay, so and without wasting much time, let us quickly update into our Excel as well. So in the night we made loss of approximate 1000, and in the daytime we made 3300. Okay, so let me just change this and make it look attractive. Yes, friends, profits back to back 3 days profits. It's a good feeling, and you can see the accuracy is good in the daytime. Night time, as you know, it is not in our control. Whatever market gives, we have to accept. As of now, till now, we have not got any big profits. We have to wait patiently, because you would have seen last month also, whenever we did initially, it was all small. But then you can see towards the end, it was like bigger profits. So we need to wait patiently for that. For as of now, this is a situation. The day trading is fully in our control, and we are not kept till end of the day. Friends, Bajaj Finance today till end of the day has almost made 10,000 rupees profit. But I came out quickly because I wanted to close the week in profit, and also this is being the first week of our trading in this triangle. I wanted to give a positive vibes to everyone. I want to give confidence to everyone, or all those who are trading with me also. I want to give confidence, because if at all you are getting this kind of positive vibes in the starting, then you'll get the guts to continue. So two three things which you could have done is increase the lots, because you saw we just closed with the two lots itself. So after 1 or 2 hours we can increase the lots, and then by end of the day we can make good profits as well. Okay, friends, so this is our trading which we had. Any other doubts, any other confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. I'm just writing my number here. It's 8095 876525. Any doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. And also tomorrow is a learning day, so don't forget to watch the video tomorrow as well. People, those who are already aware of the Greeks, can ignore that video, but I felt the need of making it because many were requesting about it. And without understanding these two basic concepts, you can't make good money in options. Okay, so once again, thank you and have a nice day.